Hi guys, as you can see the ponies are chilling out. We have one of our rare heat waves here, although I think they're getting a little more common. Look at them, they're in here under the shade, the poor fellas. So I'm not going to bring them out anywhere or anything. I'm going to let them be. How are you? How are you? How are you? Oh, it's very hot. Oh, it is, he says. Oh, it is. I never get to say hello to this guy because the rest of them normally push him away. Now, boys. Now, boys. Oh, you're very good. Oh, you're very good. Yeah. Oh, hello. It's very hot, isn't it? Very hot. Oh, it is. Now. Don't start. Don't start. Now we'll watch. I don't know if I'm imagining it, but their eyes even look, they look half, yeah, look. He's half asleep. No, you are now. I'm not, he says. Yeah, look at the bloody flies. I know. All they've got is heat and flies, because he's getting a little bit. See that? See the eye now? Last year, the couple of the mares, I used to do this, and they would just, yeah. Flies. They would just fall asleep. Yeah, they're half asleep with the heat. What do you think? Oh, I know. Hi, Brownie. He's putting his head over the other guy. Look at him, he's tormented. See him stamping. I'd say that's flies at him. Now. Is this Whitey Bulger? Hello. Hello. Now. Oh, there's a big set of teeth there, isn't there? Oh, there is. Big yawn. Yeah, big yawn. So the heat has them destroyed here. They're all yawning and the insects are driving them berserk. Aren't they? Oh, they are. Oh, big fella. Big fella. Good boy. Good boy. And you can see, I don't know if you can, but they're half asleep under the tree there. He's releasing some liquid. They've a, what do you call it? They have a drinking trough around the corner. I'd say they're giving it a lot of attention today. Okay guys, signing off. Take care. Adios.